Sir,
The suspect,
sir.
He's gonna be on East Joshua Road, heading eastbound. East Joshua Road 282 eastbound. Suspect is going about 24 miles per hour. So East Joshua Road, northeast 294. Optional lanes of travel, going back on optional lanes. Suspect is going severely low. No speed unit in front. Don't cut off. Pull over. Come on. Correct. 5 row 18, we're gonna be going, taking a right, taking another right, Zinkaku Drive, 294. Suspect, stop, okay, suspect is getting rammed. This car's on fire, this car's on fire.
Car's on fire.
Stop! Stop! Someone.
Yo, stop right there! Stop right there! You're gonna get
Tased.
Don't fucking move, you'll be
Don't
tased
move!
again.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
handcuff
Suspect
his
is-
ass.
Cuffs, quick! Get
Yeah, handcuff his ass.
Suspect cuffed.
Yo. Yeah. He's under arrest. Arrested. Oh, why
Someone
you
arrest
Can
him,
y'all
please.
back up?
Why am I doing
This is a man.
Why was up?
I'm off fault.
Somewhere else.
With my beanbag shotgun.
Oh, nice.
Can I get uncuffed, please?
Suspect in custody.
Yeah, I kind of got cuffed here. Can I get uncuffed?
Yeah, I need you to undrag him.
Get
this a
ready to
beanbag
drag him. Get
shotgun?
ready to drag him.
Deputy out of cuffs, please.
Is this a
Hey,
beanbag shotgun?
somebody get ready to drag him.
Why have I been cuffed?
Drag him. Drag him.
I'm dragging
well,
my
keep
arm.
just
I'm
trying to-
dragging.
Right.
I'm trying to
Okay,
drag
I'm
him.
dragging
Drag him.
him.
Stop
Everyone
it.
step
Easy.
away.
Trying.
Everyone step away. Everyone step away.
Everyone step away now.
Everyone step away.
Get in.
Bro, Jesus fucking Christ.
I'm gonna shoot you
Grab
with my
him.
beanbag.
Oh, for fuck's sake, this is so.
Holy.
Oh my god.
Okay, good. I can do the arrest report if you want.
Alright. Everyone stop crowding around here.
Everyone
trying to
stop
help
crowding
him
around
escape.
people.
Stop crowding
Lucas,
around.
follow me, Lucas.
The suspect is in custody at this time. Fine.
Alright.
Here, just put him in your car and meet me at the
Yeah,
station.
can you
I'll
transport
take
him?
if you want.
Yeah, that's
Where'd my
fine. Meet me
vehicle
at the
go?
meet me at the station.
Oh, it's over here.
King 4 units, please return 10-8, thank you.
I'll put him in your car.
I don't have a cage.
You do. Oh shit. What did I find?
Find
Yeah, I'm doing that
somebody
right now.
over there should have a cage.
Mom, that's a good one. What do I find? No, I don't. What do I find?
We had a transport unit to 297.
Alright, you have the right to